Oh, that ease your weary souls tonight. Know the sun will hold set and right. The little fears that you got inside your head will soon be gone, but remember what they said. Oh, we don't want this to end. We don't want this to end. We don't want this to end. That's why you gotta start.
Doing jobs like, you know, bigger tankers, triple mowers, fusions, that type of work.
To begin. Come when all of this is gone. Don't let fear slow up your shoes to move it along. Now put aside the little fears while you're young. Yeah, take my hand so we can just carry on. We don't want this to end. We don't want this to end. That's why you gotta start.
Michael Burke is my name. I'm the Managing Director of Burke West Limited, and we distribute lubricants in the west of Ireland. We're like McHale's. We like the, if you buy the best, you'll get the best service and you get the best returns from your product. Because whatever product you are selling, there'll always be another person selling a cheaper product at a lesser price and lesser quality, and if you were that man's customer, he is your lawful gain. And they said that in 1853, a salesman said that when he was interviewed. So it's always quality means quality. Buy cheap, buy twice, buy quality, buy once. And it's a great occasion here today to welcome McHale's and all their equipment and all their facilities. I'm so privileged to be here today and be part of it. Thank you all very much.